Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying your tablet port type and confirming OTG support. Check whether it uses USB-C or micro USB before you buy adapters or cables. Verify power and speed limits for safe operation. Typical USB supplies 5V and up to 500 mA without an external hub. Also confirm whether the tablet supports USB 2. 0 at 480 Mbps or USB 3. 0 at 5 Gbps for faster transfers. Finally, install a capable file manager. Power on the tablet before plugging in any USB device to avoid instability. Use a proper OTG adapter or a USB-C hub rated for 5V and the current you need. Plug low-power accessories first, such as mice or keyboards, then connect flash drives or wired Ethernet adapters. If you need external storage, attach the drive after confirming the tablet recognizes the hub. Never connect high-draw devices like 5-inch HDDs without a powered USB hub to prevent sudden shutdowns. After connecting storage, open your file manager to browse folders and files immediately. Grant permission when the system asks, so apps can read or write to the attached USB device. Use the file manager to copy, move, or stream media to and from your tablet storage. When finished, use the file manager or system notification to safely eject the drive before unplugging the cable. If the tablet restricts direct USB access, use Cloud Sync, dedicated apps, or an FTP transfer as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.